Visual Studio Code is a text editor which we can use to edit the code for Thorium. It's free and is supported on Mac, Windows, and Linux. To download it, go in your web browser to code.visualstudio.com or use a search engine to find it. Download the version for your operating system and unzip or install it, whatever is necessary. And make sure you put it in a place where you can find it later. Once you have it installed, open it up. We want to install a couple of extensions so we'll be ready to work on Thorium. Go to the Extensions pane on the left side of the window and search for Prettier. Prettier is a code formatter that automatically formats your code to make sure that it looks good. You don't have to worry about adding in extra spaces or putting brackets in the right place. It'll take care of it for you. As long as your code is right, it'll make it look good. Go ahead and install that. Next, find ESLint, all one word. ESLint allows you to know if your code has bugs before you even run it based on a set of rules that I've already written. So go ahead and install that. Finally, we're going to find the Apollo GraphQL extension. The Apollo GraphQL extension makes it so that when you're writing GraphQL queries and schema and such, it automatically knows what is available because it's already accessed that schema from Thorium's online repository. So it's really helpful, really handy, and it'll save you a lot of time. Go ahead and install that. Finally, you might want to open a folder in VS Code, but from your terminal. There actually is a command that you can install to do this. You can find it in the command palette. To open the command palette, type Command-Shift and P if you're on a Mac, or Control-Shift-P if you're on Windows. And then you can type in any command that you want here. We want to find the install code command in path. Go ahead and run that command, and it's going to install this code command in your path. Now if you open up your terminal, you can go to any folder and type code and then dot, and it will open that folder in Visual Studio Code so that you can access the files and mess around with it there.